Okay, so it's kind of a tight spot down here in the bilge room. So here's the original, probably original to the bilge blower, right here. And just typical inline 1-2 screws. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, and here's 2 connectors right here. Actually, they have a ridiculous amount. I'm gonna have to fix this. So there's a butt connector and a butt connector for this. That might be one reason this is not kicking on, is because the idiots have the damn line with 2 butt connectors. This is sloppy. This is sloppy work, guys. Don't do it. So I'm gonna go ahead, and because this is hardwired, you see here, this is the hardwired hose. So I'm gonna chop it off right here and then install it. So stay with me. Okay guys, so this is the old bilge blower, and you can hear the hum of the new bilge blower. So I detached the wires, and let's come down here. See it, hear it hum. So I put the clamp around it, 2 screws, and you can feel the suction. And then the 2 wires will go up, and I have to put a little flame to it, so it's quiet. Let's go inside the cabin and see how loud this is. The bulkhead's right here. So let's go check it out. I can't hear it at all, and it's right on the other side of the stairs is the bilge blower at the very bottom. I mean, my air conditioner system is more loud than that, so I accomplished 2 things today. Great. So I'll have my pearls of wisdoms in a second. My third item, I don't know if I'm gonna get to today, I'm just tired, is take all the electrical connectors, and Brian from Tarpon Springs said, hey, check your electrical connectors for any intermittent connection issues for your engine that might cause an intermittent struggle power loss, because it's weird, it just happens randomly. Like, engines are great, they're running, they're great, it's just, what the hell happened? So yeah, that's my next little project I'm gonna do. So bilge blowers are very important, especially with my fuel line. Yeah, you can blow up your boat without those bilge blowers. So I can hear the other one. I got 2, and that was freaking the size of my head, bilge blower. So yeah, it's just small projects, and it's simple. Electrical connections, 2 connections, 2 screws. You unplug it, unscrew it, plug it back in. Simple as that. So stay tuned for my pearls of wisdom for the day. Actually, I might end up smoking hookah and doing it at the house. So stay tuned with me. Ciao. Alright guys, so I'm back at the house, and I have my inspirational quote of the day. So I'm going to compare. I have an extra fuel line because I bought 2 from 2 suppliers. So luckily the bilge blower is working right now, but I definitely wanted to show you exactly what happened. And I think I broke the damn fuel filter when I was back there a couple months ago changing out the bilge pump. So as you can see, it's like all completely rusted. Like just completely after 20 years, and see how awesome the new one looks. So this is a spare one. I'm just gonna keep it in my parts. I'm not gonna keep it on the boat. I'm just gonna keep it in my parts list. So what happened is, I think my hand probably pushed this because it's cracked right here. So you can't see it. Like right here, it squirts out. So that's not good. So lady friend's making up a Stouffer's meal right now. Stouffer's meal's good. So Jimmy Dean said this quote of the day: I can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust my sails to reach my destination. And I can put that into many aspects of life. Just be who you want to be. When things go one direction, you have to you have to adjust. For instance, if you keep doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result, well, the forces are against you, and you have to fight with them or against them. So just do your best. I'm gonna leave you with that. Like and subscribe. My next video coming up, so stay tuned for that. I believe I fixed the problem of the port engine fluctuating RPM. So definitely check out that video. I'm gonna have it next. So stay tuned for that. Like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. It helps me out. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 view hours. Get about it. So I'm gonna be here. I'm just hanging out. I'm still dressed all nicely. So stay tuned and stay safe, everybody.